isa pa, isa pa. Kiss. Video yan, be. Naka-video, tapos pin-picture ko. Ayan, sige.
And here's my partner, Bulky. Before we start the show, I would like to ask everybody to please stand up and give respect to the UAE national anthem. There you go. Our show has officially started. So everybody, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Good afternoon once again. And by the way, my name is Randy, and here it is my partner, and her name is Jellybean. And you know guys, Jellybean learned a special way of reminding everyone. So let's check this out. Come on Jellybean, let's show them. I know you can do it. Come on Jellybean, let's show them. Great job, Jellybean. Come on guys, let's give Jellybean a little bit of encouragement. Come on. Jellybean, I know you can do it. Yeah. You're doing good. Alright. Last three, Jellybean. Last two. And last one. Great job. So from the word itself, Jellybean would like to remind everyone to please stay safe. Just a friendly reminder from Jellybean. But guys, do you have any idea what kind of bird is Jellybean? Any idea what kind of bird?
Parrot.
A parrot. Anything else? A parrot. Yes, actually your answer are correct. Jellybean is a parrot. And she is a macaw. We call it blue and gold macaw or blue and yellow macaw. But guys, when you hear the word parrot or macaw, what first thing comes in your mind? What do you think parrot can do? They can? They can talk. Yes, they can speak, right? Do parrot can talk? Well, just to find out, let me call another tropical bird we have here. And her name is DJ, together with her trainer, Emil. So guys, let's welcome DJ.
Madam.
Okay, so DJ here is our umbrella cockatoo, also known as the white cockatoo, originated from Indonesia, and this bird can live up to 100 years in captivity.
Wow.
So one of the longest living birds. So DJ is such a friend. But before anything else, DJ, can you please greet our lovely guest? Say hello. Say hello. Wow. Okay, you heard her face a while ago. That's her way of calling other animals because DJ is such a friendly bird. Is that right, DJ? Yes. And DJ, speaking of being friendly, let's do the handshake. How about on the other side? Okay. Now DJ, are you ready to dance? No? Okay! She's ready to dance. So everybody, I need your help. Clap your hands together for DJ. Nice one. And one last one. Okay, thank you very much, DJ. And for trainer, yeah. Now let's move on to our presentation. So during ancient times, when there's no internet, telephone, and other easy mode of communication, people, they are only using animals, especially birds, to send message from one place to another. And how do they do that? Let's just imagine. They will grab a small piece of paper, write the message, roll it up, give it to the bird, and least bird. And tonight we are going to show you black behavior and nice. Thank you very much. Take this finger. Okay, let's wait for Ollie. He's eating his reward. Okay. Nice one, Ollie. Take it back. And come back to Daddy. And now, Ollie would like to show you a monorail drive. So Ollie, it's time to show them what else you've got. Good job. Nice one. Nice one. Great job. Thank you very much, Ollie and course winner again. But of course, guys, first, they don't really drive in the mud. You give them training, to give them cognitive opportunities, and to give them physical and mental stimulation. Now, are you ready to see more birds? I can hear you! Yes! First, very well, the beautiful colors inside this. Here at Emirates Park, so we are very proud to say that we Okay. And by the way, all of the birds that you are seeing in this presentation were donated and some of them are rescued just like Bobby. So she cannot open the other side of her wing because it is broken. Alright? Now it's time for Lady to show you how good she is in terms of using her wings. Nice one. Thank you very much, Bobby and Jellybean. And so us. Now guys, as we sit here and celebrate today, it is sad to say that many birds and other animals are putting their lives on the line. So some of them are endangered, some of them are nearly extinct. Extinction, that is forever. When a species of animal is considered extinct, meaning we cannot see the same species ever again. No matter what science do, and no matter what people do, we cannot bring them back. Endangered means we still have hope to be